Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix microphone not working on HUAWEI Pura 70 Pro. Let's begin. So, first, by default, usually problems with microphone are related to some sort of debris that can be found inside of it. So what you want to do, you want to simply clean it using some sort of non-metallic tool. This is very important. Do not ever use some sort of needle, because then you can just simply damage your microphone even further. Instead, you can use some sort of toothbrush or a toothpick. Like, you know, you have very big variety of choices, but please, for the love of God, do not use metallic tools like needles or anything like that, because otherwise you might just damage your microphone. Then, after you have done that, we can simply test our microphone in the voice recorder. It can be found by default in the tools folder. It's right here. Now, as you can see, we have to agree to some things, which is pretty funny. But now we hit this big record button, and now we are recording our voice. So we want to record. We can talk to some things. We can even like lower ourselves. These are my hair, sorry. So we can test where the microphone is located, how loud is it, etc, etc. Then you want to simply end recording. You can hear it back. Why? To hear it back, we need to have Bluetooth. Okay. So it doesn't really matter how I'm saying this, because this is a new phone, microphone is working. But generally speaking, you want to perform a nice diagnostic test. If your microphone is very low, you might want to basically increase its sensitivity to sound. If it's farting or is it like glitching or some sort of that, you can always search for this specific problem on the internet, and maybe you will find something useful. It's all about the diagnostic things and not just blindly typing in microphone not working, how to fix, because this won't take you anywhere most of the time. So after you have done that, we can, as a last resort option, just check for update. We can do that by going to settings, scrolling all the way down, going to system and updates, software update, and as you can see, our software is up to date. Why we are doing that? Well, if you have encountered some sort of bug with your microphone, you can always simply check for software updates, because who knows, maybe they have released some sort of new bug fix that fixes the bug with microphone that you might have encountered. It's completely randomizer, to be honest. Like, it's hard to predict what will happen and how can you possibly fix this. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.